Hello everyone, here's a quick tip on how to use the sketchpad in iFly GPS. The setup button has been moved into the menu to make way for the sketch button. Hitting that will let you create a new sketch directly on the map, on a blank sheet, on graph paper, or a craft sheet for you instrument pilots. Drawing on the map lets you use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools directly on the map. The buttons to the right let you undo and redo, clear the whole sketch, and switch to pan mode so you can move the map. Your sketches will track with the map, and if you want to hide them, you can disable the map layer in map mode. Once you have an active sketch, the sketch button will return you to edit mode. To edit a different sketch or manage your sketches, go to Menu and then Sketches. The Manage Sketches button will let you edit, rename, delete, and sort the sketches. And that's it for this one. Thanks.